It's been more than 3 weeks since Italy became the first country outside China to introduce strict stay-at-home restrictions. With growing signs that infection rates and deaths are starting to plateau, the government announced that parents could take their children out for short walks. But the government has also ordered the extension of restrictions to stay in place until April the 13th, and probably for longer. And the health minister has warned against complacency.
We must not confuse the first positive signals that we are seeing in these hours with an all-clear signal. Data and the statistical projections made by experts show that we are on the right path and that the drastic decisions we have adopted so far are starting to bear fruit.
Quarantine has brought financial hardship and in some cases desperation, and that's given rise to numerous gestures of kindness, like these food bank donations. In Naples, many residents in the city's old quarter are hanging pasta and other items from solidarity baskets for the benefit of the jobless and poor people without enough to eat. Those who can, give. Those who cannot, take, says the sign. We're all in the same boat and we must all row in the same direction, says the organiser, Angelo Picconi, from his balcony. And with that sentiment in mind, the European Union has weighed in with a new initiative to support short-time working and avoid layoffs and redundancies in the EU's hardest-hit economies.
Millions of people cannot go to work, but they still have to buy groceries and pay the bills. Companies are paying salaries to their employees, even if, right now, they are not making money. Europe is now coming to their support with a new initiative. It is called SURE.
The medical priority, though, is finding enough beds and equipment to treat the ever-growing numbers falling ill. Latest figures from France saw a new record of 509 new fatalities, and the authorities are transferring patients between regions to spread the pressure more evenly. Paris's hospitals are now full, and 38 critically ill coronavirus patients were transferred by high-speed train to the city of Rennes on Wednesday. In Spain, where yet another record of 864 new deaths were recorded in the previous 24 hours, the temporary hospital created at this Madrid conference centre has been restocked with fresh supplies. Every bed can save a life, and in this crisis, every minute matters. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera.